Enzyme-linked immunoassay, or ELISA, is used to rapidly detect and quantify specific antigens or antibodies in a patient's serum. First, depending on the method being used, either an antigen or a capture antibody is attached to the surface of a microtiter plate. Then, the patient's serum is added. If the antibody or antigen being tested for is in the serum, it will bind. Detection of the target molecule is accomplished by adding antibodies that are linked to a colorimetric enzyme. When the substrate is added, a color change occurs. This allows for the presence of the tested antigen or antibody to be assessed visually or quantified using image analysis. Western blotting is a laboratory technique that is used to confirm the presence of specific proteins in a sample. First, protein lysates are prepared and loaded onto different lanes of polyacrylamide gel. Application of a charge pulls the proteins in the sample down toward the bottom of the gel. Larger proteins travel slowly through the gel matrix, while smaller proteins travel more quickly. The result is separation of the proteins in each sample by size. Before the separated proteins can be visualized, they are typically transferred using electrophoresis onto a nitrocellulose membrane that is more durable than the gel. Next, the areas of the membrane that do not have bound protein are blocked to prevent nonspecific binding. Then, antibodies to the protein of interest are added. Finally, secondary antibodies that are typically conjugated to a chemiluminescent enzyme are added along with the substrate. The resulting light output is analyzed using a digital image processor. This allows for both detection and relative quantification of specific proteins.